Hi, my name is Snehasis Pradhan. My father's name is Kshirod Pradhan. We live in Bhubaneswar. He had knee pains from quite some time, and while walking he was complaining, and he has reduced his walking because of the pain. So we consulted few doctors, and they suggested to have knee replacement done. So I did my research and found Dr. Ratnakar Rao, and I like the way he described us the situation and all the process. So we decided to go with Apollo Hospital and Dr. Ratnakar Rao for his knee replacement. Once we discussed, we went for seeing his age. He is almost 72. Seeing his age, we decided to go with the robotics for both the knees. We did the surgery happened on 15th, October 15th, and it happened in 2 days, both the knees. After that, he has recovered pretty well. Before even the discharge, he was walking for 5 to 10 minutes with the walker. The staff was pretty good, the physiotherapist, Charita, all the supporting staff, Srikanth, he helped a lot with the process and all. Everything went smooth, and the service provided at this hospital was awesome. Now he is able to, it's been like 20 days, he is able to walk for straight 15-20 minutes. He is able to climb 2 floors. Stairs without any support, just holding the railings of the stairs. And the journey so far has been pretty good. The healing is recovering pretty well. The medication they provided are minimal, and he's able to be good. So we recommend Dr. Ratnakar Rao for robotics or traditional surgeries. Thank you, Apollo, and thank you, Ratnakar sir, for all your support. Your team is the best.